Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
UMP ka Kongres Natura usaling sangma hakasngit hodiang ulakam hapo parlimen badaki hajar ngut kibrio na Bangladesh kila persyang banwantur syapo uput usam ka Meghalaya hanen kesngi. Uni UMP uladawa nakasorkar pedeng lingba umentri ketenat kampo iyang kari bakade ban penbiang yaki bor pahara hagithan khaput hapo kejela kenang ban ai kejinyada yaki nongsyong syong kejela ki basyong basa syakithan khaput. Ngimdan yaki jinyada ki babiang hagajela kumta daki hajar ki brio ki basyong hagithan khaput kimat yaki jing ulaong. Usaleng ulapan senguru bahaduk menta ki don daki lakngut ki petwir Rohingya ki balawan poiwir bat banwan buhai shnong syapo ki jela kathan syatay lamingi. Ulaong baka jing yorung kini ki Rohingya kadailing ba ki jaka khaput ki bompat syamlakir sainat. Kumta ula kerpat ya kesorkar pedeng bakan shim kya bha ya kani banbu daki nong pahara baklan.
पीछे में
हो गई आपकी बात आ गई श्री सालेंग संगमा
सर राइट नाउ
नाउ स्टार्ट योर नेम आई
yeah sir right now thousands and lakhs of illegal immigrants from Rohingya refugees, they're entering the state of northeast. We've got 2000 kilometers which is not even covered, so we need a preventive measures to be taken seriously by the sir, by the central government, sir. We don't have a proper security right now in our state. So thousands of people are suffering right now. Yesterday itself, more than thousands of Bangladeshis, they tried to penetrate the Meghalaya through the border illegally, sir. So through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to apprise the Union Minister from the Home Department, at least try to take the preventive measures right now.
Shri Anurag Thakur.